Hello and welcome to Puzzle Masters product review. Today we will be taking a closer look at the Pocket Change Orange puzzle. This puzzle was designed by Brian Cran and made by Puzzled by Piker. Difficulty level of the Pocket Change Orange is 7 out of 10 on a Puzzle Masters difficulty scale that runs from 5 to 10. And the goal of the puzzle is to free the coin. The Pocket Change is a solid box with no initial clues or movements. If you take a closer look, you can't move any of the parts. You can see only a small opening here. There is a small part here that has an opening, another one here, but there are no parts that you can move. At least it looks like at a first glance. And you have to find a way how to open the box even though you can't move any of the parts. The Pocket Change puzzle is a part of a series of puzzles where you have to free the coins. There are Pocket Change purple, yellow, red, orange. All puzzles are different. They have different solutions and they are all quite fun. All puzzles are 3D printed. They are quite affordable and most of them have pocket size. If you like the Pocket Change Orange and you want to buy it, go to puzzlemaster.ca. Thank you for watching. See you next time.